2008 Chevy Avalanche Z71 4-wheel drive. We got a bad hub assembly. My customer got a Moog from Advanced Auto Parts. Good quality. Spend the money for the good stuff. I'll show you how to change this hub on here. We got to get this caliper assembly off. We're going to take it off with the bracket. So I'm just going to release the piston on it. Give it a little looseness on it. I'm going to get the bracket pulled off with the caliper. And that's going to require removing these two bolts right there. I got one right here. I don't know if you can see that. And one right here. They look like a 17 millimeter. And I'll bring you back. Correction. It was 18 millimeter. So got the two pulled out. Got that assembly pulled off. Got it sitting there hanging up with my makeshift caliper hanger. We'll get the rotor pulled off. Now we got to get this axle nut up. I went ahead and got the axle nut sockets set from Advanced Auto Parts. It's a free tool. Just pay for it. You get your money back. Looks like it's going to be a 36 millimeter. Get that put on the gun. Using my big boy DeWalt here. See if we can get that baby pulled off. These jokers be hard to come off. Wow, she did it with no problem. See if we got this here loose. Oh, that's even better. It's already loose. Get the spacer. Get that put over here so I don't forget how it goes. Now we got this assembly here to get out. It's got 3 bolts holding it on, this hub assembly. You can see it's all gone. Yeah, this is bad. So we got one here, one on that side, and one on the other side. You got to access them from back here. There's the bottom one, bottom front. This is the top, and then this one right there, the bottom rear. It's going to be a challenge to get in there with the gun to get those pulled out. Look like it's going to be a 15 millimeter socket. So we get that pulled off and I'll bring you back. So I went ahead and started the truck up so I could turn the wheel to the passenger side so I can get access on this first one down here. I got my 1/2-inch impact driver with a little short wobble extension on it. Help me get in there like so. See how baby that one came out pretty easy. Set that down there. I'll start it back up. Turn the wheel the other way. Let's see if we can get the other side off now. Might as well turn it off. Let's see if we can get this side off. And then the top we're gonna have to get with the wrench. Yeah. The impact driver makes it a lot faster. It's always good to have an impact driver. Let me go find a 15 millimeter wrench out of the driveway toolbox. Got a big mess here. There's a 15 right there. I want one that's not a ratchet though. There's a 15 right there. We got an Avalanche. That's my driveway toolbox, Z66. pulled up to come repair another Avalanche. Can't get better than that. Let's see if we can get this wrench on here. It's gonna be tough to film this and hold this phone. So I'm gonna have to pause it to bring y'all back. Okay, I got that one broke loose. And it's coming out easy. Coming out with the fingers. That's always good there. This thing ain't got a lot of rust on it, so I'd imagine that this hub assembly is gonna fall right out with no problem. Okay, that's out enough. Let's give it a kick. Let me go get baby Betsy. Baby Bertha, I mean. Baby Bertha know how to persuade them to want to move. Fuck the screwdriver up. That's not good. Broke another screwdriver. Trying to use it the wrong way. She's a coming. Let me put this phone down. It's all in my way. Okay, I got it broke free here. She should be able to come out now. There she comes. Yeah. That's good, girl. That's the old one. Back of the bearing. Yeah, that comes from there. It's not good. So we'll get this cleaned up in here, all this gunk. Get that cleaned up, spray some nice lubricant in it. I'm gonna turn the wheel back kind of straight so I have a straight shot at it with the axle. I ain't trying to fight it. That should be good for now. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up and then we'll be back. So what you want to do is compare these rotors, I call them rotors, compare these hubs side by side to make sure everything looks right, especially with the connectors. It's looking like we got the right stuff here. Let's see what we got here. Yep, those look good. Got 2 pins. Yep, they're the right ones. So I sprayed it down, I cleaned it up. I used some Hilco Lube. Got a little rust build up there, but that ain't coming off. If you don't know about this stuff here, made by Hill Manufacturing, you don't know about nothing. It's some of the best stuff out there. It lubricates, cleans, never dries. Loosens nuts and bolts, displaces water, non-conducting, and it prevents corrosion. I've been using this stuff for a long time. I spray this on everything, and it smells like candy, so keep it away from the kids. Let me get this put back together and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I got the new hub put on, got the wheel turned straight. I'll get this line put away. It's always nice to have the right stuff, so everything goes in the way it came out. Everything's got its place. Once I get the caliper down, because I'm using that slot right now, and this will hook up into there, and then these will lock into those two holes right there, and then we should be good to go. I probably have to break out the scanner to clear the ABS code on it. Other than that, I think we good, so I'll bring y'all back. Okay, got everything back in place. We'll get the axle nut put on. This baby here with the little washer. Get that baby put in there. Tighten up. She had these spacers on here, but she got these big ass rims and tires on here. I'll have to get this spacer put on. Then we can get the tire put back on, get it started up, and get the code cleared on it. Okay, we got the wheel put back on. It wasn't that bad. Probably took tops with filming, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes. Let's get this baby started up.